It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hey yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Fritz Mix back at it again with another footwear content. So as you all know, here in the Philippines, it's kind of rainy season again. So what are my top 5 go-tos for this rainy season? Actually, hindi nga top 5 eh. Parang ano lang. Top 3, pero 5 yung ipapakita ko sa inyo kasi iba't ibang colorways lang yung isa. So ayun, as you all know, I'm a big sneakerhead. Hili ko yung iba't ibang styles ng footwear. Pero for now, I'm gonna give you something different na you can't call it kasi as a sneaker. Bahala kayo kung anong tawag nyo rito. Pero here's the first one. So these are the Crocs Classic Clogs in collaboration with Minecraft. So nothing to say more about this shoe. I just love this one because of the color blocking. I love green. Ayan. Gusto ko yung pagka nito, earthy tone. And syempre, collab siya with Minecraft. So ayan. So next would be, ayan. These are the Crocs Echo Clogs, Foot Locker exclusive. So I got this one last year. So they're only available via Foot Locker. No, first time i-launch ni Crocs yung Echo Clogs. Yung una yung nakita nyo kanina, yung Minecraft, I got that one from Crocs PH, Clark Branch, last year din. Pero this one, this is the first Crocs pair that I had. Tapos, I just love the color blocking. And again, this is just the Foot Locker exclusive. So, hindi nyo siya mabibili sa kahit anong Crocs store dito sa Philippines. So, it's only available at Foot Locker. I don't know if this colorway is still available sa Foot Locker Philippines. Pero, ayan. Ito yung madalas kong gamitin talaga. So, I just love this one. The difference between this one and the Classic Clogs would be, first of all, yung style niya. Ayan. So, may pagkaano siya, parang Polex or yung Salehe Bembury collab. And then, meron siyang insole. So, mas comfy siya. Though, the Classic Clogs, mas gusto ko siya kasi mas magaan. Pero, talaga, mas madalas nyo makikita using this one, the Crocs Echo Clogs. Next one would be Cheneng! And it's a collaboration between Crocs and Salehe Bembury. Yung tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung halos parang pinaggayahan. So this is the Salehe Bembury Crocs Polex Clogs. Ayan. This was given to me by my friend from Dubai. The one who also gave me yung isang pair na ni-review ko rin dito, which is the CB94 OG 2023 release. Boss Brian, thank you so much, and Boss B, and kay Miss V. Yan, maraming salamat sa pair na to. Legit guys, binigay sa akin to ni Boss B. If you can see the design, pakita natin. If you can see the design, this was designed by Salehe Bembury, mimicking his fingerprint. Yan, kaya ganyan siya. So, may paparating din ako na isa pang ganito naman na by July, hopefully, it's going to be given to me by another friend as pasalubong daw. So, ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na ako sa'yo. This guy, RJ, thank you very much, brother. RJ is from Australia and he's one of my closest friends in Kumu. So, as you all know, kita naman sa aking username, I'm a streamer from Kumu and most of the people that I met there are also sneaker enthusiasts. So, isa na rin si this guy .rj and syempre si Boss B. Ayan, to name a few. Next, di ba sabi ko 5, pero I've already shown you 3 different Crocs pairs. And again, this is the Crocs Polex Clogs by Crocs and Salehe Bembury in the Sasquatch colorway. So ito na, ano pa ba yung dalawang ipapakita ko sa inyo? So nakita nyo puro Crocs, di ba? Next one is this one. I haven't used this one yet, pero I'm planning to since maulan. Same. These are the Crocs Classic Clogs. Yan. In collaboration with BT21. Yan. So sa mga BTS fans dyan, ito siya, yung collaboration between Crocs and BT21. Ayan, hindi pa gamit, andyan pa yung tag. I got this one from Crocs PH. Shoutouts Crocs PH. Ayan. Clark Branch. And I got this last year. So, I just love the color blocking as well. And syempre, BTS yan eh. Basta collab. Most of my classic clogs from Crocs are collabs or exclusives. So, wala akong mga plain na classic clogs. So, baka may gusto magbigay dyan. Ayan, irarak natin yan. Tapos, ang cute kasi ng mga gibbets niya. Ayan. So, again, this is the classic clogs in the BT21 with BT21 collaboration. Syempre, last but not the least would be ito, kaka-release lang nito. The Crocs Classic Clogs. Collaboration with SpongeBob SquarePants. Ito yung Patrick Star na ano. So, makikita niyo rito, nakakatawa kasi as you can see, 'di ba, magkaiba yung yung reactions ni Patrick dito. And then yung gibbets niya nandyan. So we have Patrick Star. Tapos we have yung SPF 45. Then yung bahay ni Patrick and then mayonnaise. And then if yung makikita niyo yung color blocking niya, yung mismong kulay ni Patrick. Tapos this one, ito yung niya yung shorts niya, 'di ba? So, sobrang cute. And then if you would go to sport mode, ayan, this is what they call kasi sport mode. So, mas, siya, parang, it would help you when you're running or doing other activities. So, this would help you fit yung pair sa paa nyo. Ayan. So, nandyan yung famous tagline ni Patrick.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument.
Is mayonnaise an instrument? Diba? So, yun. So, again, these are the Crocs Classic Clogs in collaboration with SpongeBob SquarePants. So, yan. Pakita natin. Yan. So, these are my top 5 go-tos ngayong maulan na season dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lang. Kayo, anong gusto nyo makita sa susunod? So, that's it for me. Again, Fritz Mix. Stay safe, stay dry this rainy season. Bye! It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?